And this is Mark.
Hi.
Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. And this is what he does all day, plays video games. And this is Matt.
Hi, Boo.
Making his famous chicken.
What the hell are you doing that? We do boring bullshit now.
I'm bored.
You're bored, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I see you're making
Chicken.
chicken, huh?
Yeah, chicken.
Deep fryer. See how good that was. Some good chicken right there.
I know,
Zooming
you
back
love my
out.
chicken. Huh?
I do like your chicken.
I know my chicken's bang. Bang, 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 bang.
I'm putting this on my MySpace.
Like my drumstick?
My drumstick? Yeah, okay.
Shut up.
Where you going? Why are you running away? What you walking away for? Wait, hold on a second, hold on. Does this work? No, that's that light.
No, that don't work.
I got you on video! You eventually have to go back out there because you have to cook the chicken.
Mark, follow my lead, come on.